Hello City School, it's Miss DeHuff. Welcome to my desk at home. We have been talking about collage, and I'm going to show you what I have used to make collage of my own. This video goes with our lesson on Romare Bearden, the black artist who made the collage out of papers called The Block in 1971. So you can look at that collage in this assignment. So here is what I use to make collage. I have all sorts of papers from magazines or any papers that I find around the house, and I just collect them and put them in a pile and keep them in a special place. And what I usually do next is I will find some pictures in magazines or something that I like, and I will cut parts out, or I will cut up the pictures that I see. Okay, so here's a picture that I liked, and I cut out the person, and I might make something with that, and I might add other papers next to it to make a collage. Sometimes I also take my own photographs and I will cut them up and then arrange them together. This is a very large, well, not too large, but it's like a 5 by 7 inch photograph that I had that I decided to slice up, and then I glued it on some white paper. To me, it kind of reminds me of feathers. So sometimes I will do that. I will slice up pictures and then rearrange the pieces. Now here are two collages that I have made in the past. This one has words cut out from a magazine that I layered on top of pictures from a magazine. And here is a white space showing the paper underneath. So this is a shape I cut out from the magazine. These are shapes I cut out from the magazine. So is this and this. And I just glued them together, sometimes on top of each other, to look this way. Here's another collage I made. I found a picture of a girl sitting down. I also found a picture of a horse, and a picture of some books, and a picture of people in a crowd with cell phones. And I cut up all those different things, and I laid them on the paper until I liked how they looked, and then I glued them down. So I like this collage. It reminds me of people in a city, because cities have lots of people and they're always on their devices. And this reminds me of remote learning and how we're always on the computer. And even though we're always on the computer, there are still rainbows of hope, and God's promises are still with us. Even though we're doing school differently and it's been challenging and we're in the coronavirus still, we still have the rainbows of God's promise with us. I made this when I was living in New York. See, the words say, cars whizzing past, unmarked path, New York, New York. Okay, so those are my collages. I hope you liked seeing them. And when you make collages, don't compare them to mine. They're going to look unique and they're going to look different because you make them. All right, have fun. Bye-bye.